Hey, everyone. In this video we're going to take an in-depth look at the Whirlpool Dishwasher User Manual. Product Description. 1. Upper rack. 2. Foldable flaps. 3. Upper rack height adjuster. 4. Upper spray arm. 5. Lower rack. 6. Cutlery basket. 7. Lower spray arm. 8. Filter assembly. 9. Salt reservoir. 10. Detergent and rinse aid dispensers. 11. Rating plate. 12. Control panel. Control panel. 1. On-off reset button with indicator light. 2. Program selection button with indicator light. 3. Half load button with indicator light key lock. 4. Eco program indicator light. 5. Key lock indicator light. 6. Display. 7. Program number and remaining time indicator. 8. Tablet indicator light. 9. Closed water tap indicator light. 10. Rinse aid refill indicator light. 11. Salt refill indicator light. 12. Sani rinse button with indicator light tablet. 13. Delay button with indicator light. 14. Start pause button with indicator light drain out. First time use. Filling the salt reservoir. Remove the lower rack and unscrew the reservoir cap, anti-clockwise. Only the first time you do this, fill the salt reservoir with water. Position the funnel and fill the salt reservoir right up to its edge, approximately 1 kilogram. It is not unusual for a little water to leak out. Remove the funnel and wipe any salt residue away from the opening. Setting the water hardness. Switch on the appliance by pressing the on-off button. Switch off the appliance by pressing the on-off button. Hold down button start pause for 5 seconds, until you hear a beep. Switch on the appliance by pressing the on-off button. The current selection level number and the salt indicator light both flash. Press button P to select the desired hardness level. Water hardness table. Filling the rinse aid dispenser. Open the dispenser B by pressing and pulling up the tab on the lid. Pour in the rinse aid, max 110 milliliters, making sure it does not overflow from the dispenser. If this happens, clean the spill immediately with a dry cloth. Press the lid down until you hear a click to close it. Adjusting the dosage of rinse aid. Switch the dishwasher on using the on-off button. Switch it off using the on-off button. Press button start pause 3 times, a beep will be heard. Switch it on using the on-off button. The current selection level number and rinse aid indicator light flash. Press button P to select the level of rinse aid quantity to be supplied. Switch it off using the on-off button. Filling the detergent dispenser. When measuring out the detergent, refer to the mentioned earlier information to add the proper quantity. Inside the dispenser D, there are indications to help the detergent dosing. Remove detergent residues from the edges of the dispenser and close the cover until it clicks. Close the lid of the detergent dispenser by pulling it up until the closing device is secured in place. Programs table. Programs description. Eco program is suitable for cleaning oiled tableware. For this use, it is the most efficient program in terms of its combined energy and water consumption, and that it is used to assess compliance with the EU eco-design legislation. Intensive program recommended for heavily soiled crockery, especially suitable for pans and saucepans. Mixed soil for normally soiled dishes with dried food residues. Rapid 30. Program to be used for half load of lightly soiled dishes with no dried food residues, does not have drying phase. Pre-wash. Used to refresh crockery, plan to be washed later, no detergent to be used with this program. Options and functions. Half load. If there are not many dishes to be washed, a half load cycle may be used in order to save water, electricity and detergent. Select the program and press the half load button, the indicator light will light up. Press the half-load button to deselect this option. Key lock. A long press for 3 seconds of the load button will activate the key lock function. The key lock function will block the control panel except the on-off button. To deactivate the key lock, long press again. Water tap closed. Alarm flashes when there is no inlet water or water tap is closed. Sani rinse. This option can be used to sanitize washed dishes. It will increase final rinse temperature and add antibacterial wash to the selected program. Select the washing program, press the Sani rinse button, the indicator light will light up. Tablet. This setting allows you to optimize the performance of the program according to the type of detergent used. A long press for 3 seconds of the Sani rinse button will activate the function if you use combined detergents in tablet form. Delay. Select the program and any desired options. Press the delay button to delay the start of the program. Press the start pause button, the timer will begin counting down. Once this time has elapsed, the indicator light switches off and the program begins automatically. Drain out. To stop and cancel the active cycle, the drain out function can be used. A long press of start pause button will activate the drain out function. The active program will be stopped and the water in the dishwasher will be drained out. Loading the racks. Upper rack. Load delicate and light dishes, glasses, cups, saucers, low salad bowls. Adjusting the height of the upper rack. The height of the upper rack can be adjusted: high position to place bulky crockery in the lower basket and low position to make the most of the tip-up supports by creating more space upwards and avoid collision with the items loaded into lower rack. The upper rack is equipped with an upper rack height adjuster without pressing the levers, lifted up by simply holding the rack sides, as soon as the rack is stable in its upper position. To restore to the lower position, press the levers A at the sides of the rack and move the basket downwards. Foldable flaps with adjustable position. The side foldable flaps can be fold or unfold to optimize the arrangement of crockery inside the rack. Wine glasses can be placed safely in the foldable flaps by inserting the stem of each glass into the corresponding slots. Lower rack. For pots, lids, plates, salad bowls, cutlery, large plates and lids should ideally be placed at the sides to avoid interferences with the spray arm. Cutlery basket. It is fitted with top grids for improved cutlery arrangement. It must only be positioned at the front of the lower rack. Care and maintenance. Cleaning the spray arms. On occasions, food residue may become encrusted onto the spray arms and block the holes used to spray the water. It is therefore recommended that you check the arms from time to time and clean them with a small non-metallic brush. To remove the upper spray arm, turn the plastic locking ring in an anti-clockwise direction. The upper spray arm should be replaced so that the side with the greater number of holes is facing upwards. Troubleshooting.